Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get faster internet and make better calls with just a few settings changed on your iPhone. So let's hop into this settings app of your iPhone first, and you can see right under Bluetooth, let's tap on cellular. The first thing that we want to do is make sure that your cellular data in your cell signal is as improved and as good as possible. So let's just first tap on cell data options here. And you can see at the very top is data roaming. Now, a lot of carriers don't charge you for data roaming if you're within the country that you have that carrier with. In my case, I'm in the United States. So I would recommend turning on data roaming, but let's also go to voice and data. And on here, you can see 5G on. This will improve or maximize your phone's ability to use 5G, the fastest cell and service in your network or in your area. Keep in mind, this might reduce significantly or just a little bit your battery life. So depending on whether you run out of battery quickly, you can switch to 5G auto or 5G on. I usually keep it to 5G on. The next thing we're going to do is hit back and go to data mode here. If this says set to low data mode or standard, it might reduce your phone's ability to use your cell signal or your cell service to run data and to basically improve your Wi-Fi or improve your internet speed. So I would switch this to allow more data on 5G. Keep in mind, only choose that option if you have an unlimited data plan because it could use a bit more data on your phone. Now let's go back out of here, and the next thing I would recommend doing is scrolling down and tapping on Wi-Fi calling. Now keep in mind, if you're in an area with a bad cell service or bad signal, you can always use Wi-Fi calling instead of your cell or mobile tower to make that call. Just toggle this on. Keep in mind, for emergency addresses, you'll need to enter that in and update your emergency address. This is essentially if you call 911 on Wi-Fi while you're calling, they'll be able to know where your home address is. This is only shared with emergency calls or emergency responders. Now let's next hit the back arrow and go down to the bottom. You can see on here Wi-Fi Assist, iCloud Drive, and iCloud Backup. These all three could potentially use up a lot of your cell data while basically you're browsing around, while it's backing up your iCloud Drive or your iCloud. Keep in mind, if you're okay with that, you can use the cell data, but I would recommend turning these off at least, and you can choose whether to turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Essentially, if your Wi-Fi network is bad, it will switch over to your cell data instead. I usually have all three of those turned off. Now that we've improved your cell signal, let's improve your internet speed. All we need to do is fairly easy, is just modify the DNS for your Wi-Fi. I'll show you how to do that, but first, if this helps you out, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, be able to make these videos completely free to you. Thanks, guys. Now, at the beginning of your settings, you'll be able to see Wi-Fi right under airplane mode. Let's just tap on that. And now you can see I'm connected to my network, Luddites and Neolites. Let's tap that little I right next to it. And from here, let's scroll down and you'll be able to see towards the bottom, it will say configure DNS, and it's usually set to automatic. Let's tap on that. And instead of automatic DNS, let's switch this to manual. A lot of times your internet provider might not have the fastest DNS servers, so you want to manually enter in a couple. So you can see here, I'm going to just delete out these and hit add server. And you can either add Google's DNS server, or I would recommend Cloudflare's DNS server is super fast. And it's 1.1.1.1. It's fairly easy to remember. And then we're going to hit add a server because we're going to add two of them here, 1.0.0.1. And now all you need to do is hit save. After you've done that, it should toggle Wi-Fi off just as it reconfigures everything. And then you'll just reconnect to your Wi-Fi. After you've done that, head into a web browser here and we'll just do a speed test. Just type in speed test into Google and hit run speed test. It should be super fast for your internet, both your Wi-Fi as well as cell data, and improve any kind of calls that you're making or receiving. I hope this helps. Again, if it did, hit that subscribe button down below and send this maybe to a friend or two just to share it out and keep basically growing this community on YouTube. Thanks, guys.